Ugh, that familiar spin cycle. You've just started your Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo 950. Excited for a sparkling clean home, and bam! 5, maybe 10 minutes later, it's stuck in a dizzying dance of circular motion. Sound familiar? The spinning in circles problem is a common issue reported by many Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo 950 owners. It's often caused by a problem with one or both of the driving wheels, maybe a jammed sensor, a worn-out wheel, or even internal gearing issues. The driving wheels are the heart of your Deebot's navigation. They're not just wheels. They're sophisticated little systems featuring motors, encoders, and sensors that work together to ensure precise movement. Ignoring the problem could lead to further internal damage, leaving you with an inefficient cleaner, or even potentially creating a safety hazard. And now, you might be thinking,
"Oh, I can fix this."
Well, if you're feeling lucky, go ahead. Robot vacuums aren't just toys, folks. They're high-tech marvels that can turn into expensive paperweights if you mishandle them. Leave the repairs to the pros. Trust us, your wallet will thank you. Don't risk making things worse. Trust the professionals. Let RoboCare get your Deebot back to its cleaning best. At RoboCare, we diagnose the problem systematically. First, we carefully inspect the wheels and motors, checking for any visible damage. We use high-quality diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the root of the issue, be it a simple motor malfunction or something more complex. Our technicians are highly skilled in dealing with all things Ecovacs, particularly the Deebot Ozmo 950. We use specialized tools and only use genuine replacement parts. We're all about thoroughness, ensuring your robot is back to its original, high-performing self. Our aim is not just a quick fix, but a lasting solution. Are you curious about the results of this problematic robot after it's repaired by RoboCare? And here it is. After a quick visit to RoboCare, your Deebot is back to its sparkling best, effortlessly cleaning your home and leaving you with more time for what matters most. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
When I got my Deebot back, I was so relieved. It was like getting a brand new robot vacuum. It cleans perfectly again. No more crazy spinning or getting stuck. RoboCare was a complete lifesaver. I highly recommend you check them out.
Don't let your Deebot Ozmo 950 spinning fits ruin your cleaning routine. Getting it repaired at RoboCare is quick and easy.